Well, it's a great motivation para sa akin dahil alam naman ng lahat na what happened to me ano. And I'm so grateful because the players responded well during my return to the team, and then we're playing well. And the good thing today is everybody's enjoying with the team And it seems to me na nagkakaroon na sila ng good chemistry. And if you notice in the last 3 games the bench really performing well, and then almost balanced scoring. And we have a lot of assists, 34. I think so, 34, and the last game 34. And then we have a great rebound, 69. So I think it is a great sign of na the players just really want to win, especially going to the break. Alam namin na talagang before the break talagang makakuha kami ng 7 wins, at least 90% siguro will be in the quarterfinals with 3 games remaining. But we should not be complacent because come playoff time is a different ball game.
And now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Okay.
Coach, ano lang yung masasabi mo din sa linlaro ni George King kasi nung last time, although syempre tambak na tambak yun, konti lang minutes niya, but tonight, bumalik yung scoring tsaka yung minutes niya.
Kasi last time talagang because of the condition of the court, he don't want to take risk because in the first quarter we already have a big margin, and he let his teammate do the things that we have to do, and they responded naman because I don't know if he has a trauma regarding the slippery flooring dahil every time na somebody's fall on the floor makikita mo he's right there even from the opponent or his teammate because he wants to be everybody to be safe. And regarding his game today because this is our last game before the break, and he wants to go home with with a good game. He will be having a break. I think everybody will be having a break. It's not a vacation because we'll be back. Our game will resume on October 10.
Coach, bali uuwi ba ng US si George King or?
Yeah, because his first child, after his first birthday, hindi niya na-witness yun And then he wants to bumawi do sa anak niya, and then they are waiting for him but he promises na once he get back he will be in top shape.
Siguradong babalik, Coach, baka
Kung hindi siya babalik, he still have enough time naman he still have enough time, but of course yung mga gamit naman niya iniwan niya for safekeeping iniwan niya kaya sigurado babalik yun.
Rodney, congratulations. Double-double Pero yung rebounds mo, mas malaki kaysa sa puntos mo, no? Mas concentrated ka ba talaga in getting those rebounds?
Dun lang naman talaga ako nakafocus Actually, sa intangibles ako nakafocus Dito kasi sa team namin, marami naman talagang scorer. So, kung ano yung pwede kong i-contribute maliban sa points, kung ano yung makakatulong sa team. Palagi naman ako doon nakafocus.
Coach, siguro naman babalik na si CJ sa pagtapos nitong break, no? Kamusta naman si CJ?
Yeah, actually he wants to play tonight gusto niya i-test yung but we prevented him to play because sayang naman yung days na for him to recover dahil it's not an easy injury dahil it's a groin we know na pagka sa groin it's mga hamstring mga tridor yan you can never know kung kailan babalik and at the same time I think he was informed the national team kung pwede siya, he was informed na to practice I think on Monday, but we told him na you have to get the clearance from the doctor because he's not yet 100% fully healed yung kanyang injury.
Coach, and Rodney, anong balak niyo sa tong break na darating? Tuloy-tuloy ba ang practice or magbabakasyon din ba kayo? Kayo, Coach?
I just stay at home and then trying to recover to get 100% because you know what happened to me, But the good thing is, I'm really happy, the development regarding my recovery and getting back to normal, everyday, activities. And then I started walking 1 hour a day, and then hopefully after this break, I'll be 100%.
Follow-up question, Coach. Magpapa-break ka daw po ba sa practice?
Yeah, pinaplano ko nga pero depende. But I promise them na give us a good game and they will be having a good break.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Once again, congratulations to San Miguel and thank you, everybody.